Hello everyone and thank you for joining today. My name is Alexandra Hubaev and I will be presenting my research with title Coexisting Attractors in a Non-Ideal Mechanical System. Specifically, I will illustrate the qualitative behavior of the system using bifurcation and continuation diagrams along with phase portraits. My focus will be on the coexistence of attractors across various parameter values. The system I'm discussing is derived from the paper Chaos Control in a Non-Ideal Vibrating System. This system comprises a non-ideal oscillator consisting of a mass connected to a damper and a non-linear spring with cubic stiffness. Additionally, an unbalanced mass is excited by a non-ideal DC motor. Also, mz is the external torque applied to the motor driving shaft, and mm denotes the torque generated by the motor. Here you can see the equations which describe the system, and the state variables are x1 for displacement, x2 for velocity, x3 for angle, x4 for angular velocity, and x5 for the electrical current. So while I was observing the bifurcation diagram of the system, I noticed an interesting behavior. For certain values of the parameter V, the system exhibits jumps between different attractors. This observation suggests the possibility of coexisting attractors. So to validate this, I conducted some simulations. Firstly, I simulated the bifurcation diagram for V ranging from 2 to 10 with a step of 0.001 using initial conditions set at 0.1 for all variables. And this is the result. Similarly, I simulated a continuation diagram and compared to the bifurcation diagram. Here's the continuation diagram. And here is compared to the bifurcation diagram. And we see that these two diagrams are not identical. So for certain parameter values, especially for certain values of the parameter V, we see that we have coexisting attractors. Also, the backward continuation diagram exhibits slight variations in comparison with the forward one. So all these differences indicate potential coexistence. Next, I will present you some attractors of the system. Here we have a chaotic one, a periodic attractor, a chaotic attractor that showcases a double helix pattern. In this parameter value, we have an interesting attractor, and I believe that here we have quasi-periodicity, and in general for V ranging from 6 to 7, there's a high possibility of quasi-periodicity. So in this moment, I'm running some simulations about Lyapunov exponents to check this phenomenon. And another chaotic attractor. And here you can see the attractors in relation to the bifurcation diagram. Now, as we dive deeper, I examine the concept of coexisting attractors. I'm looking at scenarios where multiple attractors can exist for specific initial conditions, keeping our parameter V constant. For instance, when V is set to 3.1 under certain initial conditions, there's a double coexistence of periodic attractors, as you can see in this phase diagram. To give you a clearer picture, I present you a more focused continuation diagram that illustrates this phenomenon. Next, when we set V to 6.8 in these initial conditions, there's a triple coexistence with both periodic and chaotic attractors. And again, I present you a focused continuation diagram to see better this complex behavior. Now, I choose as parameter the initial condition x1, and I set the other initial conditions equal to 0.1. At V equal to 2.2, the system remains stable without any jumps, so there's no coexistence. And here you can see the phase diagram. However, when we adjust V to 6.8, the dynamics change dramatically. Here we can see multiple jumps. For example, at x1 equal to 0.4, we observe a transition from a chaotic to a periodic attractor. And when x1 is equal to 0.87, the system shifts from one chaotic attractor to another chaotic attractor. And here you can see clearly the triple coexistence. Additionally, at V equal to 9.58, we see jumps again. For x1 equal to 0.7, the system transitions from a chaotic state to a periodic one. And here you can see the phase diagram. Lastly, I focus to another parameter, the initial condition x2, and again, I set the other initial condition to 0.1. For V equal to 3.44, we notice transition oscillating between two chaotic attractors. Similarly, when we set V to 6.4, the system jumps between three chaotic attractors. And here you can see the triple coexistence of chaotic attractors. To sum up, this non-ideal system demonstrates up to 3 coexisting attractors across certain parameter ranges. These attractors can manifest as combinations of chaotic patterns, periodic behaviors, or a blend of both. Lastly, some future targets for this study include investigating the system's behavior with variations in the differential equations, extend the application of the Lyapunov exponents for detecting quasi-periodicity, and lastly, exploring the mechanical interpretation of this system. Thank you for your attention. If you have some questions, you can send them in this email.